Suunto 7, the company's first Wear OS smartwatch, is available and out today.
It is fair to say that it was the CES 2020 sensation and everybody's waiting for this smartwatch to come out. But why? Suunto is a company known for kind of really hardcore fitness people and trusted by professionals, people who go really running, biking and do nothing else. And that's, they produce watches for that. But this Suunto 7 smartwatch now they brought out is a watch, kind of a hybrid watch that's aimed at us who kind of do smartwatch every day, but go also jogging once in a while.
We will be doing a full review on the fitness tracking, etc. of this watch. What do you want to see reviewed?
Don't send us hiking because we can't, but let us know what you want tested and we will test that for you. Now is your chance to kind of influence our review. If you have specific questions, we will answer them for you.
Yeah, and we're interested to find out what's in the box. We are unboxing it today for you, and I actually am excited. This is the first in a while that I've been super excited about.
We're also going to show you the size because there were some concerns that it may be too big, but I love it. I'm not going to get into big is better, but the size really matters on this one because it has a beautiful AMOLED 1.4-inch AMOLED screen and it has up to 1000 nits brightness. Believe it or not, it is really crisp when you look at that, and in bright sunlight it is a joy to look at that screen. The Suunto 7 is designed and tested in Finland, and you can get some harsh winters in Finland. But what does that mean? Basically means it is shock resistant, water resistant up to 50 meters, dirt proof, and it works in rain, mud or snow. Whatever you desire and whatever you want to do outside, it will survive. It has physical buttons on top of a touchscreen, and the touchscreen itself is Gorilla Glass.
So let's open up the box. Inside you find your smartwatch, naturally, but also a charging cable and some instruction manuals.
You are being greeted with a nice pocket for the instruction manuals, and that says designed for adventure since 1936. And I kind of like that. It kind of reminds you how long this company has been around. For the actual paperwork, you have 3 things in there. Safety matters, you're covered, and get started. Basically a quick start guide to get started.
The first thing that is striking is the size of the watch, and you said that you think a lot of people will be concerned about that. That for me was the deciding factor in getting excited about this watch. I love the size of the watch, and what's important is it's super light.
It is super light, it's 70 grams, and the thing is with this watch you have to have a bigger screen, and this is really crisp AMOLED screen. And when you have your navigation and you have offline maps on here, when you have that viewed, you don't want to really have a small circle or a small viewable area. So in essence, it makes sense to have a bigger screen.
It's really nice, it's really light, and ladies, if you choose this watch, you'll see it on my arm as well. It doesn't look so huge, it's incredible. It's more like an 80s flashback.
It's cool. You have different color options like black lime, sandstone, rose gold, or black, and we have the graphite copper and white burgundy. So you really have everything covered, especially for male and female.
And out of all the straps of all the smartwatches we have tried, including the Apple and the Samsung Active 2, I like this strap better.
It's very nice. And it has 24 millimeters, so you can interchangeable straps, you can change it. There are loads of options available on the Suunto website in order to change your strap.
And we are going to have so much fun with this because I heard it has 70 different sport modes.
It has a hardware sensor on top, GPS tracking, and you can also have different apps connected to it like Strava, Training Peaks, and Endomondo. So it's really a kind of a versatile app. So 70 exercises, dedicated modes, that is a lot. You can choose anything from trail, outdoor, motorsports. I've seen even outdoor motorsports, and that's pretty cool. I haven't seen any watch offering you this.
I tell you what, I will test that. The Suunto 7 also comes with Wear OS.
That means you have your Google Play Store, you have your regular applications you will find on the Google Play Store like Spotify, YouTube, your calendar, your alarms, and everything you need. You have a Google Assistant on there, and that is a proposition of the Suunto 7 smartwatch. It's not just aimed at hardcore bikers and runners and triathletes and what have you. It's based on people like us, right? People who want to have their daily life in order with a smartwatch, but then go jogging. And then you have that extreme, really cool feature with the offline maps, the heated maps. You can see the trails, and I like that. It's pretty cool.
As soon as you put it on, the Wear OS navigation is super familiar and easy. And how long did setup take?
Setup is one of the best setups we ever had. It was really seamless. The Android phone found the watch immediately. The Wear OS did, the Suunto app, everything was fine. It did an update immediately and everything runs smoothly. The watch itself isn't really small. It is 50 millimeters in size, but as we said, it is really not that big of a deal, literally. The battery life is decent at 48 hours of battery life. If it's in a normal use, you have 12 hours GPS only use, which is also pretty cool. And you have the Qualcomm Snapdragon Wear 3100 chip, and that is not the biggest powerful chip, but I think so far we didn't have any issues, right?
Correct.
When we saw the Suunto 7 at CES 2020, we were really intrigued by this smartwatch. And what is it that excites you personally?
Me personally, I love the size of this watch and I love the style of this watch. But over and on top of that, I absolutely love the Google essence, the Wear OS, everything, navigation being Google and having everything there, Google Pay, everything I want in a smartwatch.
And on top of that, you have Google Fit if that built-in fitness tracking isn't enough. But I like that it's basically aimed at us. I like that it is kind of a hybrid smartwatch, that it is aimed at people who want to exercise, and you have that full ability to really track yourself with the offline maps and what all the features that Suunto usually gives to their trusted professionals, right? We have them now, and I think it's pretty cool. But we need to test it. So let us know in the comments below what we should test. Now is your chance. Don't send us hiking.
So we will see you on the review.
Jens here from Also Space.
Tony the Car Geek.
Peace out.